Hold on real quick. If you're not making at least $3,000 per day with AI, you need to stop scrolling. All we're doing is finding small local business owners, setting them up with simple AI software systems, and then charging them $300 to $500 per month per client. Once we find a small local business owner, we're just going to come over to the simple software, click on marketing, and we're going to connect all of their social media accounts, and then just click Get Started. Next, we're going to come up here and click on New Post and click on Content AI. Then all we're going to do is fill out a few basic pieces of information and select a writing tone. For this one, we're going to do funny, and then we can select how many variations we want of this post. Click Generate Content. And just like that, the AI created 4 different pieces of content that all we have to do is click Copy, Continue. We select which social media account we want to post to. Then just click Post, or you can even schedule it for later. And the small business owner can easily see the post on the social calendar. And that's exactly how we're making thousands of dollars every single day with AI. Drop a comment below and I'll hook you up with a 100% free course, plus a 30-day free trial to the software that I use.